Number 10 asks us to complete the square, leaving your answer as a square of binomials. All right, so we have to make it incomplete first. What I mean by incomplete is this. A standard polynomial that is complete has an ax squared plus bx plus c. This is considered to be complete. Okay, to make incomplete, we have to take out that c. Once we take out that c, it now becomes incomplete. Okay, then you can complete the square. So to make this incomplete, we have to add 13 to both sides. This cancels. Oh, sorry, I have to make sure I add it to the other side as well. Whatever we do to the left, we do to the right. We get x squared plus 4x plus dash is equal to 18. 5 plus 13 is 18. Now we can complete the square. So that b value here, it is 4. We divide that by 2, that becomes 2. We square that, that becomes 4. So we're going to add the 4 to both sides. This allows us to factor the left. Two numbers that multiply to 4, that adds up to 4, that would be 2. So that factors into x plus 2 equals to 18 plus 4, which is 22. We can write the left side as a square binomial. So x plus 2 squared is equal to 22. Let's now do b. Okay. For b, same process. Right now, it's considered to be complete. Now we have to make it incomplete. So we have to get rid of this constant. So I'm going to add 14 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with an x squared plus 6x plus blank is equal to 22. That b value here is 6. b is equal to 6. We divide by 2. We get 3. We then square it. That becomes 9. That means we're adding a 9 to both sides. The left-hand side factors. Two numbers that multiply into 9 that adds up to 6 would be 3. So it's x plus 3 and x plus 3. 22 plus 9 becomes 31. We can write this as a square binomial. So it's x plus 3 squared is equal to 31. And now let's do c. Right now we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals to 3. It is considered to be complete because it has a constant. So let's get rid of that 4 by minusing 4 to both sides to make it incomplete. We have now x squared minus 4x plus blank is equal to -1. This b term here is -4. Let's divide that by 2, gets us -2. We then square it, that becomes 4. That means I am adding a 4 to both sides. In that process, I can now factor the left, right? Two numbers that multiply to make 4, that adds up to -4. That is x minus 2 and x minus 2. -1 plus 4 becomes 3. I could write the left as a square binomial. So it's x plus 2 squared is equal to 3. There you go. That is how I complete the square and leaving the answer as a square binomials.